Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're gonna show you the Blackvue DR750 and a battery pack installed on a Volvo XC60 2019. So the first thing we're gonna show you is the rear camera. We have the camera installed on the rear windshield. As always, we run the wires through the factory brackets and we go through the factory Ryan boot, so that way we don't have any wires sticking out. Looks nice and clean. All you see is a little bit of wire just where the camera is placed. The wiring are going through the vehicle liner all the way in the top, hidden, nice and clean. We have installed the battery pack actually behind one of the cavities in the bottom here. It's a hidden, and we have the front camera in here. Wires are going through the top liner, clean and nice. That way we can't see anything. Looks clean. The system works, as you can see, while the vehicle is parked. That's due to the battery, and the battery getting charged when the car is running. Blackvue dash cams and other dash cams can be found at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.